Okay, so I just finished getting ready. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. So in September, I spent the long weekend in Montreal to visit some friends, and the hotel I stayed at was so beautiful. So I filmed a lot of content that I'm finally uploading. So I stayed at the Vogue Hotel. It's beautiful. If you're ever in Montreal, I really recommend it. So yeah, I was just getting ready for the day. I thought I was gonna have like a full day to see my friend, go shopping and stuff, but you'll see it did not turn out the way I thought. So I'm just doing my hair. I love the Dyson, it's so great. I love using it on my second hair day as well because it just refreshes my hair, makes it look all nice again. I'm done with the hair. Honestly, the Dyson just takes like 2 minutes. Did you see how frizzy my hair was? Because I slept on it and now it looks fabulous. So, okay, I always put this in my hair after. So the Magic Night Serum. Smells so good. So the hair is done. Imagine if my house looked like this. Only when I look at the footage, I'll be like, oh yeah, this looks nice. Because, you know, the lighting is quite dim in here, which honestly I like. But hopefully it's good for the camera. Hopefully the camera loves it. So for makeup, I'm using the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I use the shade 2.5. Honestly, I feel like on camera, it doesn't, you can't really see how nice it is, but it's truly like one of my favorite products. It just makes your skin look very glowy and healthy, but it doesn't look like glitter or shimmer on your skin, so it's very nice. And then the rest of my makeup, honestly, it's been the same for about a year, but recently I changed my routine, so I'll show you what I do in a video soon. But yeah, I know this is kind of the same routine, kind of boring, but I still wanted to get ready with you, so that's what I did. And then concealer. I've been doing the same makeup for like a year. I do need a new concealer soon though, but I will finish this one up. Okay, and then I will take my blush that I love so much. So we'll take Orgasm from NARS, and yesterday I applied it with this little brush and I feel like it worked. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. For my eyes, I was using this quad from MAC. So I use soft brown like in the crease, and then in my outer corner I use Swiss chocolate, and I was really trying to apply it in a V shape so it would lift my eyes a little bit. Okay, most important part, this eyeliner from Charlotte Tilbury and Pillow Talk is my favorite. The color is just so nice. And then doing my makeup in the dark is not the best. And same for eyeliner, like when I apply it, I like to kind of smudge it a little bit, but always in a V shape. I just feel like that really helps to elongate my eyes. And then I also like to bring in my eyeliner in the very inner corner just to give a bit more of a cat eye effect. Okay, I'm back. I did the eyes. I had to go do it. Oopsies. I had to go use natural light because it was just not happening. For my lips, I love Pillow Talk. I like the liner, the lipstick, but I usually try to leave the center of my lips like blank, and then I just do gloss, which I love this gloss so much. It's so beautiful and shimmery, really love it. But I also love the one from Fenty. So these would be my two favorites. I need mascara. So I just realized that there was actually a dimmer in the bathroom. So there's actually really nice lighting, but I didn't know. Anyway, that's crazy, girl. So I filmed my little reel, like get ready with me, like in the dark. You could not see anything in my reel. but I thought it was a vibe, you know, but no, this is the vibe. Anyways, so I'll just refill it tomorrow. Okay, so this is the makeup. I still need to match my neck, but this is it. Do we like? Okay, and then the perfume of the day is Miss Dior. This is the 2017 version. I love this. I bring it out in the fall because the first time I bought it, it was in the fall, and it just smells so good. It's warm, so I don't love it in the winter because it gets too, in the summer I mean, it gets too warm and like the patchouli sometimes, I don't know. But I love it in the fall. It just so good. Okay, and then for the outfit today, I will wear, look at the little lights, it's so cute. I will wear this set from Zara. So I prefer like cotton Spanx, like little shorts. They're not really like shapewear, but it's from the brand Yummy. So Yummy, I buy them on Amazon. So this is just like a basic pair, like more like real shapewear, but I prefer the non-real shapewear. I'll show you. So these are actually my favorite, but they don't make them in like a nudie color. They're just like cotton shorts, and they kind of cinch you in. But I don't like when shorts, like I want just my tummy to be shaped. I don't want my butt to be compressed, you know? So that's why I usually prefer little cotton shorts, because they're just comfortable. But this color will show under my thing. So anyways, I will put these on, and yeah. It's like I'm almost ready. It's almost 5. I'm hungry. I want to leave, but I have pretty bad blisters like on the back of my heel. Anyways, I don't have a lot of options. Like my feet just hurt, even my sneakers. So anyways, I put on the outfit. Like I feel great in it, but like it keeps showing my stomach, and so I'm not sure if I'm perceiving myself, like a part of me is perceiving myself like, yeah, this is fine. Another part is like, no, it's horrible. So I don't know if I'm just delusion, like, oh yeah girl, this is flattering, or it's just me trying to love myself. I don't know, you know what I mean? But another part of me is like, yeah, it's a cute outfit. Still the tags are on because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I love the color, I love the vibe of it. But anyways, I'll go get my bag. And then this bag, so I actually ended up staying in, but honestly I feel like I needed it. I needed some me time, some relaxing time. So I ordered some amazing food, I took a bubble bath, and I just enjoyed myself. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in a new one. Bye.